Put your hands up, let me hear you say.
Welcome to Chingford, the gateway to the legendary Epping Forest, where London runs out of breath and the nature takes hold. Chingford area where London's popularity shakes hands with the countryside. This historic area sits right on the edge of Epping Forest, making it one of the greenest escapes in the capital. Chingford dates back to Anglo-Saxon times, and yes, it even has its own royal flex with Queen Elizabeth hunting lodge, built in the 1500s. Basically, if it was good enough for the Queen, it's good enough for your Sunday walk. Today, Chingford is known for big skies, rolling forests, views, peaceful paths, and one of the best sunset spots in northeast London. It's the kind of place where you come for a quick walk and somehow disappear for 3 hours. From history to nature to proper fresh air, this is Chingford and Epping Forest, London's wild side. Follow Special Kreeation to the Nation for more hidden gems. Let me ask you guys a question. London or countryside? Which team are you on? Would you escape here for the weekend? Rate this view out of 10. I saw some deers and tried to catch them for you, but they did not come back. So sorry. That would have been an epic video. The gateway to the legendary Epping Forest, where London runs out of breath and the nature takes over. The ancient woodland has been standing tall for over 1,000 years. Once a royal hunting ground for kings, now hunted by dog walkers, cyclists, and drone pilots, looking for the perfect shot.
Special K works both day and night, bringing drone shots pure and bright. Positive vibes to make you see a brand new view, so wild and free. Hit like if you feel the motion. Drop a comment with devotion. Share this moment far and wide. Subscribe to catch the rising tide. Thank you for your time today. Let the footage light your way. Yeah. Special K won't miss a beat. Every frame feels crisp and neat, changing how the world's perceived through the lens we all believe. Hit like if you feel the motion. Drop a comment with devotion. Share this moment far and wide. Subscribe to catch the rising tide. Thank you for your time today. Let the footage light your way.
Epping Forest stretches across 2,400 hectares, packed with twisting oak trees, hidden ponds, wild deers, and paths that somehow always lead you uphill when your legs say nah. Chingford itself is steeped in history, with Queen Elizabeth's hunting lodge nearby, proof that even royalty needed fresh air and a break from palace dramas. Today, it's a peaceful escape from city life, unless you visit on a sunny Sunday. Then, it's London's biggest outdoor meetup, perfect for walking, cycling, flying drones, legally of course, or just pretending you've gone off grid for the day. Be honest, how long before you get lost in Epping Forest? Is this a peaceful walk or a full 10,000 steps accident? Let me give you a little secret about Epping Forest. Epping Forest has a historical reputation for crime, notably as a hunt for highwaymen, and has been the site of modern criminal activities including kidnapping and etc. etc. But it is now a manageable public space with a highway safety profile. And here is another information about Epping Forest. It is a popular, albeit spooky tourist spot and was named one of the UK's top 40 spooky streets. Hangman Hill in Epping Forest, often referred to in local folklore, is a famous spot near Loughton where cars in neutral appear to roll uphill, yes uphill, defying gravity. Legends attributes this to a ghostly hangman dragging vehicles through it. Is actually an optical illusion caused by the surrounding sloping landscape. Yes, as a little child, my brother used to take me here. And I can vouch for you, it is actually true. Would you film this on your drone or on your phone? Thank you for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.
Special K works both day and night, bringing drone shots pure and bright, positive vibes to make you see a brand new view so wild and free. Hit like if you feel the motion, drop a comment with devotion. Share this moment far and wide. Subscribe to catch the rising tide. Thank you for your time today. Let the footage light your way. Yeah. Special K won't miss a beat. Every frame feels crisp and neat, changing how the world's perceived through the lens we all believe. Hit like if you feel the motion, drop a comment with devotion. Share this moment far and wide. Subscribe to catch the rising tide. Thank you for your time today. Let the footage light your way.
Would you come here to relax or explore? Let's head deeper in and you'll find Cannot Water, a peaceful lake with wildlife, reflection and ducks that absolutely run the place. And if you want views, Pole Hill delivers. Big skies and city meets countryside vibes in one shot. From ancient history to fresh air and unreal views, this is Chingford and Epping Forest, London's wild side. Follow Special Kreeation to the nation for more hidden UK gems. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy.
Special creation to the nation, taking flight on inspiration.
Sky views and celebration, showing life through transformation. Open your eyes to the view, a brand new world just for you. Like, comment, subscribe if you feel the vibe. Drone shots lifting you high, different angle, different side, positive message shining bright. Special creation, let it guide you. Through the clouds we'll rise beside you. Every frame will redefine you, changing how you see the view. Open your eyes to the view, a brand new world just for you. Like, comment, subscribe if you feel the vibe. Drone shots lifting you high, different angle, different side, positive message shining bright.
Now I have arrived to one of the lakes. I'm not sure what the name of this lake is, but I hope you enjoy the view from above and below.
Special K, faith in her pocket, heart on her sleeve, she wear the crown. Special K, her name rings loyalty, independent queen, watch her bloom. Sassy lady, Special K living her best life. Special K, faith is her honor, family first, ain't nothing stronger. Special K, funny, one of a kind. Special K, she's always on your mind. Her words hit hard like a drumline beat. Every step she takes, she owns the street. Funny and fierce, she's the whole parade. Special K, unforgettable, self-made. She's a sister rock with no mountains too high to climb. She's the friend who's there, rain or shine. Special K, spirit divine. Special K, she's the sun on a cloudy day. She's the truth when the world's in play. Special K, don't you forget her name. Special K, Special K, Special K.
Now, what would my video be without me giving you a little information? You have the power to shape your own reality. Your thoughts and attitudes have a huge impact on your life and your experience. If you focus on the negative, that's what you'll see and attract. But if you choose to focus on the positive and look for the good in every situation, you'll see a shift in your reality. The power to create the life you want is within you. So choose to focus on the good and watch it grow.
Put your hands up, let me hear you say, Special K, Special K. I'm about that business every day. Then shout it, Special K, Special K. The fakes run away, but the real ones stay. Special K, Special K. I stay on my grind, no time, see you later. More haters, please, is my motivator. You don't like me, it is what it is, that's none of my biz. See me on my panel, click and unwind. Engage in the topic, free your mind. Like, share, subscribe if you choose to. You're appreciated, something you might not be used to now. Put your hands up, let me hear you say, Special K, Special K. If you got your business every day, they're shouting, Special K, Special K. The fake's gone away, but the real one is not. A Special K, Special K. This is the news. This is the Put your hands up, let me hear you say, Special K, Special K. If you bout that business every day, then shout it, Special K, Special K. The fakes run away, the real ones stay. One more time, Special K, Special K. If it's on waver, if it's on waver, if it's on waver.
Let me take you on an adventure.
This is the movement. This is the movement.
Thanks for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Gratitude is a must. Let your cup overflow with abundant positivity, sincerity, tranquility, generosity, integrity, honesty, and creativity. Just remember, trust and believe.
Special K, faith in a pocket, heart on her sleeve. She wear the crown, Special K. Her name rings loyalty, independent queen. Watch her bloom. Sassy lady. Special K, living her best life. Special K, faith is her honor. Family first, ain't nothing stronger. Sassy, funny, funny, one of a kind. Special K, she's always on your mind. Special K, funny, one of a kind. Special K, she's always on your mind. like a drumline beat. Every step she takes, she owns the street. Funny and fierce, she's the whole parade. Special K, unforgettable, self-made. She's a sister, a rock with her. No